This 2026 Grand Design Solitude 388 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 5, air conditioning, slide-out, smoke detector, microwave, water heater, leveling jacks, oven, TV, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bunk, rear living area, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Solitude 388 MBS is 15,985 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.